If you happen to catch the video a couple of weeks ago, you might remember that I was given a couple of very significant gifts by Alan Duke. And one of those things was this piece of Maple Burl. Now, this is the back side, of course. I used my chainsaw to cut this off. And as you can see, there's some nice red streaks in here. Pretty sure this is Manitoba maple. In the US, they know it as box elder. And it's a significant burl. This piece right here weighs 51 pounds. Now it's 19 inches across. So thank you again to Alan. I really appreciate this. This is the biggest burl I've ever had the privilege of working with. So get some of this bark off and let's find out what is under here. This is looking pretty nice under here. Oh, this is exciting. All right, I'll get some more of this cleaned up and I'll be back. Well, I used a screwdriver to dig most of the bark off, and now I'm using a barbecue brush to clean this off. And the bristles on here are called palmyra or palmyra, not sure how to pronounce that, and they're a wooden bristle. So it shouldn't do any damage to the burl. So I got a long way to go here and I will be back. With the bark removed, it was time to break out the pressure washer to clean the burl up real thoroughly. And while I was at it, I figured I might as well clean up that second burl. Well, I'm very pleased with what the pressure washer did. It's cleaned this up just beautifully. I couldn't be more pleased with that. Now what I want to do is take this over to the bandsaw. I'm going to cut right across here where there's very little in the way of eyes on this burl. There are some pieces I should be able to use in a future project at some time. And then from here over, I'll cut this into 3 roughly 4-inch thick slabs. Now the question is, am I strong enough to actually hold this up on the bandsaw and manipulate it? Let's go over and find out. This is really wet wood. It's going to take a long time to dry this. Well, I changed my mind, can you imagine? And instead of 4-inch slabs, I cut these at 3.5. Got an extra slab that way, and I love this wood. This is beautiful, even where there's not the burl on the top. This is just gorgeous figure in here. Absolutely gorgeous, flame looking. Now, what I wanted to do was to pack this in sawdust in a barrel that I have. Unfortunately, I didn't know I was going to do this 2 weeks ago when I emptied my dust collector, and I don't have any sawdust to do that with. So what I'm going to try is using some of this food wrap that I borrowed from my wife's kitchen. And we'll keep that just between you and me, okay? So I'm going to take some of this food wrap. I'm going to wrap it around these slices, and hopefully that will keep it from drying too quickly. Obviously, I haven't worked out exactly how to do this yet. Let's see. This is good stuff. It sticks to itself in a hurry. So I'm going to wrap the whole thing up, set it aside. I don't have a moisture meter. One more of those things that I should get one of these days. Well, maybe this afternoon, who knows. So I'm going to wrap these up, set them aside, and I'm not going to leave them in there totally wrapped up in plastic forever, because it'll just end up making this wood rot or mold. I'll get these wrapped up, and then I'll be back. I have all 4 of the main slabs wrapped in plastic now, and I've put the date on here, the 10th of October 2020. And in some places people would say October 10th 2020, and this is just one of those coincidences where it doesn't matter, it's the same date. So I will set these aside now for a few months. I'll check them occasionally, make sure I'm not getting any rot showing up inside there. And at some point in the future, I'll be back to start figuring out what I want to do with these. And I hope you'll come back and join me at that time. So thank you for being here today. I hope that maybe somebody out there got a tip or two out of this. And I'm also hoping somebody out there will give me a tip or two, because I haven't done this before. Like I said, I wish I had the sawdust to put this in, but I don't. So if you've got another idea, or if you think this is a bad idea, please leave a comment and let me know. So between now and next time, when I hope you'll join me again, have a great day in your shop and be safe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. If you like this, click the like button, and feel free to share with your friends if you like. Till next time, bye-bye now. Take care.